In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a resume on Squarespace. If you want visitors to quickly access your resume from your website, adding a button is one of the simplest and cleanest ways to do it. This works especially well on a portfolio, personal website, or contact page because it gives people a clear call to action instead of making them search around for a file or link. To get started, open the page in Squarespace where you want the resume link to appear. Once you're in the page editor, click on ADD Block. This is where you can insert new content elements into the page layout. Since we want people to click something obvious and easy to recognize, we're going to use a button block. From the list of available blocks, click on Button. Squarespace will place the button onto your page, and from there, you can customize both the text and the destination link. A button is a great choice here because it stands out visually and makes the resume easy to access on both desktop and mobile. Next, double-click the button block to open its settings. This is where you'll be able to make the button say exactly what you want and control what happens when someone clicks it. If the settings panel doesn't open right away, just click directly on the button area again until the editing options appear. Now, edit the text of the button. You'll want to use something clear and direct, such as View Resume, Download Resume, or See My CV depending on the style of your site and the type of audience you're targeting. Keep the wording short so the button looks clean and professional. After that, click on Attach Link. This tells Squarespace where the button should send visitors when they click it. You'll see a field where you can connect the button to a web address. In that link field, paste the resume link. Make sure you're using the correct shareable link so visitors can actually open the file without access issues. This is especially important if your resume is hosted somewhere else, like a cloud storage platform or another public file location. Before finishing up, it's a good idea to test the link once to confirm it opens the right document. And that's it. Once your link is in place, your Squarespace button will lead visitors directly to your resume, making your site more useful and professional. After saving your changes, preview the page and click the button yourself to make sure everything works exactly as expected.